One of the most common occurrences in Manual Guide I is when somebody gets a new machine and they try to use Manual Guide I, it will not have fixed forms within the system. And to add them, you have to put them on a memory card or a USB stick, and then you either have to be in jog or in edit, and it'll bring up a soft key that says setting. You select that. It'll come up and say register fixed forms for milling or for turning. You select either one. We'll do turning since we're on a lathe. It'll bring up another screen to where you can load in the new ones. You press input and it'll look at everything that's on the memory card. It'll automatically go to the fixedform.dat file, which is the fixed form file. We press input. It'll come up and say, are you sure you really want to do that? Because it's going to overwrite whatever you have in there. Typically, you don't have anything, so you say yes. As soon as you do that, it'll come up and say input complete. You say close. Now you have a full set of fixed forms. So now you can actually go and make new programs. If you have any questions about the material we covered today, email us at quicktips@fanucamerica.com.